Hi, I'm Nate Martin from 99bitcoins.com, and here's what's happened this week in Bitcoin. Bitcoin futures exchange BitMEX accidentally compromised user privacy when it sent out a mass email to clients revealing all their email addresses to each other. Shortly after BitMEX warned its users about the email leak, hackers briefly took over its Twitter account too. The exchange claims that although its Twitter account was hacked, all user funds are safe. If you're a BitMEX client and received the email, you should be especially cautious regarding any messages you receive in the future, especially at your leaked email address. As Argentina's fiat currency struggles, the country's central bank banned the purchase of Bitcoin or other cryptos via credit cards. The central bank says the only legal method of purchase is via bank transfer. Argentinians were also recently restricted to purchasing a maximum of $200 fiat currency per month. Venezuela's lack of reliable power and even internet access has spurred the invention of the Locha Mesh project, a system for using Bitcoin over a radio network which can connect to a Blockstream satellite if no internet node is reachable. These devices allow Bitcoin transactions using the Lightning Network even during a blackout period. France's education ministry will introduce cryptocurrency into the curriculum of high school students in the new year. France will become the first nation to teach about crypto in its public schools. And finally, Bitcoin's white paper was published 11 years ago this week on October 31st. That's what's happened this week in Bitcoin. See you next week.